What's wrong with the science? Yeah, but I'm not getting sick.
It's only a matter of time.
Yeah, but I'm not getting sick.
It's only a matter of time.
Okay?
So let's have a look at what they had to say in 2016.
He has been making claims.
Claims about what?
You and everyone you know has a piece of DNA in your genome, put there without your knowing it.
Put there by whom?
Well, that's the question of the day.
This is an internet lunatic. You're not saying you believe him.
Hold on, Agent Einstein. You're talking to a scientist.
Forgive me, Assistant Director. It may sound insensitive, but the suggestion is pure science fiction.
Doctor, bishobora kumvikana nk'ibitagomba kwitabwaho, ariko ibyavuga rwose ni ibinyoma muri siyanse.
What I'm saying, Agent Einstein, is that the facts, as I understand them, cannot be discounted out of hand.
Icyo ndimo mvuga ni uko mukwiye kutabyirengagiza.
No one has the right or the ability to tamper with your DNA.
Nta muntu ufite uburenganzira cyangwa ubushobozi bwo gukina na DNA zawe.
Unless we gave them that ability.
Keretse tumuhaye ubwo bushobozi.
You say they're tampering with our DNA, that they're able to shut down our immune systems by the addition of something to our DNA.
Uravuga ko barimo bahindagura DNA zacu, bashoboye gukuraho ubudahangarwa bw'umubiri bwacu, babinyujije mu kugira ibyo batera muri DNA zacu.
Yes, but I don't know how exactly.
Yego, gusa sinzi uko babikora.
How it's being triggered.
None se batujishije bate?
I don't know that either.
Nabyo simbizi.
Or why it's happening now.
Barimo barabikora ubu.
What can we possibly do?
None se dukora iki?
We need to act quickly.
Dukore hakiri kare.
You were right about that.
Wavuze ibintu by'ukuri.
Well, I was wrong about the science. I was wrong about what's causing it. Dead wrong, in fact.
Yego, nibeshye kuri siyanse. Nibeshye ku kintu gitera izi mfu.
But it's clearly a widespread failure of our immune systems.
Through gene tampering. A virus within a virus that was put there through the smallpox vaccine. It's what these men are calling the Spartan virus.
Ni by'ukuri, gusa no gutsindwa rusange ku budahangarwa bw'imibiri yacu. Binyuze mu kuba barinjiriye gene zacu. Virusi muri virusi. Baduteyemo mu rukingo rwa monkeypox. Niyo aba bagabo bita virusi twugarije.
We have to figure this out. What's wrong with the science?
Ibi tugomba kubitahura. Mbese siyanse ifite ikihe kibazo?
Okay. The Spartan virus removes the adenosine deaminase gene from your DNA, removes the ADA gene, and your immune system will simply vanish.
Virusi baguteramo yirukana gene ya adenosine diminase muri DNA yawe. Kandi yirukanamo gene ya ADA maze ubudahangarwa bwawe bugacogozwa.
Yeah, but I'm not getting sick.
Yego, ariko se ko ntarwaye.
Yeah, but I'm not getting sick.
It's only a matter of time.
Ibyo bireke, ni ikibazo cy'igihe gusa, uzarwara rwose.
It's only a matter of time.
Ni ikibazo cy'igihe gusa, uzarwara rwose.
Okay. So how does it work? How does the virus remove the ADA gene?
Okay, none se ibyo bikora gute? Ni gute virusi twatewe yirukana ADA?
A process called CRISPR-Cas9.
Ibyo biba muri process yitwa
CRISPR-Cas9.
aho RNA na proteine byica izo gene aho ziba ziri.
RNA and a protein cutting genes at exact locations.
Exactly, but in this instance used as a weapon.
Yego rwose muri ubwo buryo bikora nk'intwaro.
The ultimate weapon. The ability to depopulate the planet. To kill everyone but the chosen.
By tampering with their DNA.
Ni intwaro kirimbuzi. Ubushobozi bwo kwica abatuye uyu mubumbe bakagabanuka. Kwica buri wese keretse abatoranyijwe binyuze mu kwinjirira DNA zabo.
The ultimate weapon. The ability to depopulate the planet. To kill everyone but the chosen.
By tampering with their DNA.
Ni intwaro kirimbuzi. Ubushobozi bwo kwica abatuye uyu mubumbe bakagabanuka. Kwica buri wese keretse abatoranyijwe binyuze mu kwinjirira DNA zabo.
By tampering with their DNA.
Binyuze mu kwinjirira DNA zabo. Binyuze mu guhindagura gene.
Why do such a thing and lie about it? Oh, in government.
Oh, mbese kuki bakora batyo kandi tukabeshywa na guverinoma zacu ubwazo?
Why do such a thing and lie about it? Oh, in government. Why do such a thing and lie about it? Oh, in government.
Your own government lies as a matter of course, as a matter of policy. The Tuskegee experiments on black men in the 30s, Henrietta Lacks.
Guverinoma zanyu zirababeshya rwose kandi ubwo nibwo buryo bw'ingengamikorere zazo. Bagomba no gukorera amagerageza ku birabura bari mu myaka 30 hafi aho.
What are they trying to do?
Mbese ni iki barimo bagerageza gukora?
That's the missing piece.
But it's not hard to imagine. A government hiding, hoarding technology for 70 years at the expense of human life and the future of the planet. Driven not only by corporate greed, but a darker objective.
Icyo nicyo tutaravuga. Gusa ntikigoye kucyumva. Kuba guverinoma yahije cyangwa igakorera ibya tekinoloji mu bwiru mu gihe cy'imyaka 70 kubwo kurengera imibereho y'ikiremwa muntu n'ahazaza h'umubumbe. Bitayoboye gusa n'ibyifuzo bihuriweho, ahubwo no kubw'impamvu z'umwijima zo kwigarurira Amerika. Ubwo noneho n'isi yose ikaba yigaruriwe mu buryo bwose.
The takeover of America.
And then the world itself.
Zo kwigarurira Amerika. Ubwo noneho n'isi yose ikaba yigaruriwe mu buryo bwose.
By any means necessary, however violent or cruel or efficient. By severe drought brought on by weather wars conducted secretly using aerial contaminants and high-altitude electromagnetic waves. In a state of perpetual war. To create problem, reaction, solution scenarios to distract, enrage, and enslave American citizens at home.
Ubwo noneho n'isi yose ikaba yigaruriwe mu buryo bwose. Nubwo bakwigaragambya cyangwa bakagoma cyangwa ntibanyurwe binyuze mu mapfa akakayazanwa n'ikirere, intambara zishozwa mu ibanga hifashishije umwuka uhumanya uterwa mu kirere cyangwa inkongi ziterwa no kohereza ingufu z'umuriro w'amashanyarazi uva kuri altitude yo hejuru ngo hashimangirwe intambara zidashira. Mu gushyiraho ikibazo abantu bagahitamo impande ubundi hakaza igisubizo, bikoreshwa mu guhuma amaso abantu no kubashyira mu bubata maze abaturage b'Abanyamerika bakaguma mu rugo.
With tools like the Patriot Act and the National Defense Authorization Act, which abridge the Constitution in the name of national security.
Hifashishijwe ibikoresho nk'ibikorwa byo gukunda igihugu ndetse n'ingabo z'igihugu zemererwa ububasha bwo guhonyora ibiri mu itegeko nshinga. Ibyo bigakorwa mu izina ryo guharanira umutekano w'igihugu, guha igipolisi ububasha nk'ubwa gisirikare mu mijyi yose yo muri Amerika, kubaka inkambi zo gufungiramo bikozwe n'ishami rishinzwe ibyihutirwa mu gihugu, kandi bigakorwa ibyo bigamije bidasobanutse.
The militarization of police forces in cities across the U.S., the building of prison camps by the Federal Emergency Management Agency with no stated purpose.
Kubaka inkambi zo gufungiramo bikozwe n'ishami rishinzwe ibyihutirwa mu gihugu, kandi bigakorwa ibyo bigamije bidasobanutse.
The corporate takeover of food and agriculture, pharmaceuticals and healthcare, even the military in clandestine agendas to fatten, dull, sicken, and control a populace already consumed by consumerism.
Kwigarurira ibiribwa byose n'ubuhinzi, ibigo bikora imiti n'ahatangirwa serivisi z'ubuvuzi n'igisirikare, mu ngengamikorere zo mu bwiru, rubanda rukagenzurwa mu buryo bwuzuye neza, rwaranamaze kugenzurwa mu buryo bwo kubona ibiryo.
And I encourage you all to go shopping more.
kandi ndabatera umwete mwese ngo mujye guhaha.
A government that taps your phone, collects your data, and monitors your whereabouts with impunity. A government preparing to use that data against you when it strikes, and the final takeover begins.
Guverinoma yaguhaye telefone ukoresha, ikusanya amakuru yawe yose kandi ikagenzura aho ujya hose, kandi ikaba yiteguye gukoresha ayo makuru mu kukurwanya igihe bibaye ngombwa. Ubwo kwigarurira byose guheruka gutangira gutyo.
The takeover of America.
Kwigarurira Amerika.
The takeover of America.
By a well-oiled and well-armed multinational group of elites that will cull, kill, and subjugate.
Binyuze mu itsinda ry'abatware bagenzura ibikomoka kuri peteroli n'igisirikare, bazagabanya abaturage, bazica kandi bazaca amateka.
Happening as we sit here.
Ibyo byose birimo birakorwa aka kanya twicaye hano.
Happening as we sit here. Happening as we sit here.
Ibyo byose birimo birakorwa aka kanya twicaye hano.
It's happening all around us.
Birimo birabaho ahatuzengurutse hose.
The other shoe waiting to drop.
Hari n'ibindi bitegerejwe.
It'll probably start on a Friday. The banks will announce a security action necessitating their computers to go offline all weekend.
Birashoboka ko bizatangira ku wa gatandatu. Banki zizatangaza ibikorwa by'umutekano bigomba gutuma kompyuta zose zizimywa muri weekend yose.
Digital money will disappear.
Abafite amafaranga y'icyitiriro abikijweyo bazayabura.
They can just steal your money?
Bashobora kwiba amafaranga yabo.
Followed by the detonation of strategic electromagnetic pulse bombs to knock out major grids.
Bigakurikirwa n'inkongi, ibisasu biraswa nka electromagnetic waves cyangwa ingufu z'umuriro w'amashanyarazi, bigasibanganya imiyoboro itwara umuriro w'amashanyarazi igatikira.
What will seem like an attack on America by terrorists or Russia.
Ibyo bizafatwa nk'igitero kigabwe kuri Amerika, byitwe ko bikozwe n'abateroriste cyangwa se mu mitwe y'iterabwoba cyangwa Uburusiya.
An invasion of the US.
Kwigarurira Amerika.
The Russians tried it.
Abarusiya barabigerageje.
Nimumenyesha abantu bose ko Yesu ari hafi. Isi murikirwe n'umucyo maze Yesu agaruke.